on here. There you go. We'll make it. Maybe not. Whoa. Boy, it takes a long time to rev down.
Over rev, yeah.
It's Mole 4. Uh-oh. We got the old field opera going on. You don't want to make too much racket. Freak out. Probably got some kind of church thing. No, that's not. Look at the turnout for the old field opera. And maybe, just maybe, Smitty's got something for old group. Here, video. And we made it to Smitty's. There's the old field opera. Well, it wasn't easy.